Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to another wonderful episode of The Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. This is Season 6, Episode 35. And in this episode, we're going to answer the question, what is clay soil? Does that sound familiar? Do you think you know what it might be, considering what we've talked about in our previous two videos on soil? What is clay soil? Let's find out. Well, clay soil is a soil type with plenty of minerals. And of course, the majority of it is clay, because remember, like we mentioned in the previous video, that the naming of a soil is based on what makes up the majority of it. Pretty cool, huh? Now, the space between the clay particles is little, and as such, the drainage is not so good. Where we talked about sandy soil had, remember, the large areas, so the drainage was really good, but that meant the nutrients left. Well, this is on the flip side. It's not large enough, so the drainage is not good. But not only is the drainage not good enough, but roots have a hard time growing in there as well. So this soil is, like sandy soil, not a good soil for growing most plants due to these conditions. Now, if you were to take this wet clay and to rub it between your fingers, the feel of it would be actually kind of slick. So that's kind of what you can think about when you're thinking, well, how does this feel holding this in my hand? Pretty cool, huh? All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on now to our fun science fact of the day. Get this, did you know that each sunflower is actually thousands of teeny flowers? In other words, what we think about is that one major sunflower is actually made up of thousands of them, which make up that large one. Pretty cool, huh? Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me for another wonderful episode of The Wonders of Science with Mr. Whybrew. Keep an eye out for the question that'll be at the end of the video. And as always, enjoy the wonders of science. Good day and goodbye. Take care.